And I opted to, oh God, I'm excited. Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel, or if you're new here, hi, my name is Shab and thank you for joining. Today I've got an unboxing video of the Spectrum Collections mystery box, which is their perfect picnic box, and I'm so excited to open this. I'm not sure if these boxes will be the same. It does say that the value of the boxes is over £115 and they retail for £39.99. I did have a little bit of a shipping issue with this, unfortunately. I wanted to get it really quick, so I ordered it with express shipping, expecting it to be delivered the next day, but unfortunately it wasn't. It was quite late. It got stuck at the depot as well. I opted to go and collect it and it got lost at the depot. I managed to get it back, but I did get it just over a week after I ordered it. But Spectrum were actually really good about it, and they did refund my express shipping payment, so I got it for free shipping, so I can't complain at that. I'm just really happy I managed to get it back. But at the time of ordering, they were doing an offer, so if you spent a certain amount, you could get this for free, which is gorgeous. This is the Spectrum Pinch Pot Balm Blush. It's got avocado oil, argan oil, vitamin E, and it's vegan and cruelty free. And it is like a dewy blush. It's a liquid blush. This is the shade, it's Playful. There was a few different shades. I think I got like the dark pink. Oh, this is cute. So it's this little pink glass jar. I think it's glass, plastic. Let's have a look. Ah, right, okay. So it's in a little pot like this. Just gonna take this off. Ooh, it's a nice like deep berry shade, and it's normally kind of a blusher shade I would go for in a powder. So I thought, yeah, give this a go, but it was free, so can't go wrong. I think they're £16.99 to actually buy. Really nice freebie thrown in there. Just a Spectrum around the front there on the clear bit. I don't know what's in this, so I'm really excited. I discovered this actually from Gina that I follow on Instagram. I'll leave her handle down below, but she posted it and I was trying to really avoid. I didn't want to see what was in it. I'm excited. The packaging's cute. The Perfect Picnic Spectrum's Beauty Hamper Collection, and it's actually like bulging out of the box. I don't know if you're gonna be able to see that. Look, it's so full, which is a good sign. Let's go. Let's see what you've got. These are still available on the website at the time of filming this. If you're interested, I will leave the link down below. Okay, so the first thing we've got in here are the little macaroons. Oh, I've not got these and I actually really wanted them. So these are the Emily in Paris Spectrum French macaroons, I call them. A 3-piece sponge set. Look how cute they are. I loved Emily in Paris as well. I don't know about you, did anybody else watch that? Loved it. Crisp meringue shells sandwiched together with a fluffy cream filling. Pistachio, rose and raspberry. I'm assuming this is raspberry. They're very squishy. Excited to see if they grow when they're damp. Don't know, I'm smelling it. Doesn't smell of anything. It doesn't smell like sweets or anything. I thought it was going to. Next thing we've got is from the Disney range. So this is Spectrum with Disney Glowful Pixie Dust. This is hydrating and illuminating mini mist, and it's a 50ml. It says hydrating, illuminating, pink grapefruit extract, vegan and cruelty free. Your perfect pick-me-up partner to hydrate, refresh and illuminate your skin for a delicately dewy, glowful look. This ultra-fine mist can be worn alone or as part of your makeup and skincare routine. Shake well for a few seconds, mist evenly whilst holding the bottle 20 centimetres away from your face and allow to fully dry. Fabulous. This sounds nice. I've not used this before either. It's like the iconic London sprays. Look at that. Ah, little Tinkerbell on there. Glowful Pixie Dust Hydrating and Illuminating Mini Mist. That's cute. Looking forward to trying that out. I love a good glow mist recently. I've been using the Iconic London and Beauty Crop Wishery and the Vitamin Babe one. I've been really enjoying using them. So nice, because I like to do matte makeup. It then just adds a bit of glow back into my skin. Next up, we've got Spectrum's Glowful Mini, and this is the Hydrating and Illuminating Primer. This is a 15ml. And what does this say? Perk up and prep skin with this radiance boosting, hydrating and illuminating primer. Flecked with a universal champagne glow to reveal a plump and smooth glowful base. Wear alone or underneath makeup for a subtle lit from within look. That sounds gorgeous. That's pretty. There you go. So it's a nice illuminating glowy primer. I'm going to put some of this on. I can see it in the corner of my eye. I'm eyeing it up. I did a get ready with me today and I didn't put any on. So, I'm going to try it. I fell asleep as well before making this video. You know when you've got loads to do and then you lie down for a minute and then you wake up and it's basically 4 hours later. Yeah, that's what I did today. I just woke up and I was like, I'm going to have to film a video. Okay, let's give it a go. Oh, that smells nice. I think it's the avocado I can smell in it. Did it say it had avocado in it, or did I just make that up? It's a really nice fine mist as well. Ooh, I feel like that did just like wake my skin up. Look at that. Can you see that? Has it got avocado in it? No, pink grapefruit. Nearly. That's lovely. You can definitely smell the fruitiness in it, but I do think that's just give me a really nice glow, look, and woke my skin up. I feel more awake now. I should have done that before I started the video. Hi! Let's have a look. We've got another little mini. I think this might be another skincare product. So we've got the, oh, it's a mascara. Spectrum Mini Dark Matte Black Mascara. 3.5ml. I think this might be a mini version of it. Yeah, it's a mini one. Just says Spectrum Dark Matte on there. I've never tried a Spectrum mascara before. I'm not sure. I've never heard anything about it, to be fair. So far, so good. We've got a primer, we've got sponges, we've got a setting mist, we've got mascara. All very nice. I do really like the smell of that pink grapefruit. Next up, we've got something from the Winnie the Pooh range. This is pretty. So this is the Spectrum in collaboration with Disney C08 Luxe Paddle Brush, the best bear in all the world. It's huge. So it's a paddle brush, the best bear in all the world. Look at the size of it. Oh, wow. I love Spectrum brushes. Look how pretty it is. It's like the honey pot spoon, isn't it? Why am I smelling everything? That's gorgeous, though. That is such a nice brush. I have to say, when it comes to Spectrum, that is what I like the most, the brushes. Absolutely. I've never really tried, you know, any cosmetics from them before. Not to say that they're not nice, I just don't know about them, to be honest. But the brushes are always amazing. And speaking of which, we have a bundle of them. Okay, so we've got my brushes are better than yours. Vegan and cruelty-free Spectrum collection brushes. So these are their OG Spectrum brushes. I was not expecting that. So we've got a A01, which looks, it's very similar shape to the Winnie the Pooh one, actually. Where it's like a little bit condensed. But yeah, I think that would be nice. Powder brush, blusher brush, bronzer brush, that kind of thing. I just love them. They're so soft. Then we've got an A05 brush, which looks like a fabulous gold brush. It looks like a contour blusher kind of brush, what I'd use it for. Next up, what is this? We've got a B01, which is like square. I don't know if that's because it's been in the packet or something. Yeah, a square brush. It looks like it's very dense, so you could potentially use this as a stippling brush. Next up, I think I'm most excited about, we've got, I think this is a concealer brush actually. This is an A06, pretty flat, dense brush. I'm going to say that that would be a really nice concealer brush. I think the rest are going to be eye brushes. So we've got an A09, which is like a liner brush. If you can see that. I lost the camera then. Then we've got what I would say is a lip brush. This is an A15 and is a tiny little brush for lips. Then we've got an angled brush for eyeliner or eyebrows. This is the A17 brush. Then we've got an angled blending brush, like a crease brush, B04. So excited. And then what have we got next? A B03, which is like a small version of that square kind of stippling brush. So I think this would be really nice for stippling on like concealer or something. But yeah, I'm not sure what this is for. And then we've got a fluffy, I'm going to say crease brush, B06. Nice little fluffy brush, perfect for crease. I'm so made up with them. And then last but not least, we have, oh, this is so cute. We've got a 4-piece brush set from the new Hello Kitty range, which, if you know me and how much I love cats, and I do really like Hello Kitty for that reason. This is really cute packaging. Look, it's like a brunch menu, fluffy pancake stack, strawberry cute shake, hello coffee, sweet strawberries and kitty cubes. Oh, it's so cute. Rather than me trying to guess what you use everything for, I can actually tell you this time. Look at them. How pretty. Oh, they're stunning. Look at the little bows on them. And it says Hello Kitty on there. B02, which is this one, and it's really dense domed foundation. Yeah, so I would say that's a nice stippling brush. Really nice foundation brush. Oof. I just want to put my makeup on again and use these. We've got a B05 Beauty Buffer, which is this one. So yeah, I think that's a really nice brush for like dusting off setting powder and stuff like that. I think that's what we're going for with that one. And then we've got a B10, which is a mini tapered blender, which is this one. So it was a really, really small brush for eyes, for blending out your eyeshadow. And then you've got a B06, which is a tall tapered blender. So it's basically a bigger version of this one. That's everything that you get in the picnic basket from Spectrum. I absolutely love that. I just found a little mini brush in the Spectrum blush pot, by the way. Look how cute it is. Absolutely tiny. But yeah, it was in the pack. I thought the pack was a bit full still. I just thought I'd show you that. I can see the value. That really shocked me, getting a bundle of their like OG brushes, and I absolutely love them. I don't think I've actually got any of those because I couldn't think for the life of me what you use them for, so I don't recognise that I've got any of them. I really like this as well, the Hydrating and Illuminating Mini Mist, the Disney Tinkerbell. I really like that. I think it's well worth the money. The value of it is over £115. I mean, you know yourself, if you know Spectrum brushes, you know they're not the cheapest. The quality is amazing. They wash really well, they last really well. I've had some of my Spectrum brushes for years and they don't change. Let me know down below what you think. Thank you very much for watching, and I'll see you all in my next video. Bye.